Alright, you guys, here I am. I arrived in Puebla, Mexico, and right now I'm in Cholula, which is one of the oldest continuously inhabited cities in Mexico. And let me tell you, if you can't tell by the purple buildings right beside me, this place is absolutely beautiful, filled with beautiful churches, and it's also home to one of the largest pyramids in the world. And it's a hidden pyramid, super cool. Can't wait to show you guys. But all around this place is just good vibes and beautiful architecture. Check this church out right here. Absolutely incredible. So Cholula is one of the oldest continuously inhabited cities in all of Mexico. This city has been inhabited for thousands of years. Literally, up until the BC times, people were living in Cholula, and you can see why. Look at up on this mountain. Absolutely incredible architecture. So much beautiful stuff to see here. On just a 20-30 minute walk, I'm gonna take you guys on a nice little walk, all right? Maybe about a 20-minute walk. And you guys are just gonna see how absolutely beautiful, full of amazing architecture Cholula, Mexico is. And it's just good vibes, good weather, good wind. Like, I really can't ask for much more in a city. All right, here we're gonna go. We're walking down the colorful streets. I got a little bit out of the touristy area, so not exactly as, like, you know, colorful and built up as some of the other parts of Cholula. But here we go. Got a nice coffee shop right here. We're thinking of getting some coffee, nice beautiful green coffee shop. And let's see what else. Another amazing thing about Puebla is there is so many delicious regional foods here. If you come here, first thing you gotta try is a semita. It's a humongous sandwich. They're absolutely delicious. Get whatever you want in them. Amazing. Love them. Like, tortas are really good, but semitas, like, just hit different because you can only really find them around this area. Here we go. I'm gonna take you guys up to the park pretty soon. As you can see, it's just all colorful buildings and trendy. And though, as you can imagine, this place can be pretty touristy. I've seen a few tourists already. It's not crazy touristy, honestly. For the most part, I've seen like 95% Mexican people, so it's not like a crazy touristy place. Look at this beautiful thing up on the mountain right there. And I'm gonna go down this way because there's another church. Yeah, literally filled with beautiful, super old churches. This is exactly what I love to see when I'm walking around the place. Let's see. Sometimes when I walk around historic areas like this and I see a lot of these buildings, they don't look like they're being used for anything. I wonder if they're abandoned, or they're just like people's homes, or what. Or if they're not livable. I honestly don't know. But I do know there are a lot of times people just live right in the center of a beautiful historic town because their families had the house for just generations. Absolutely incredible. That would be so cool. I would love to have a home in the historical center of some city. I just love, especially with the colonial architecture. For me, it's just so perfect. Look at this. As we come up to this corner, there should be another beautiful church. Let's see. Oh yeah, look at how beautiful and colorful it's starting to get up there. Starting off with the lime green at the end of that street, and you can just see it's purples, yellows, oranges, blues all the way down. I mean, like I always say, it's kind of hard to be in a bad mood when you're just surrounded by colorful buildings everywhere, you know what I mean? Let's see, and we should be coming up on another church right here. You guys ready? You guys ready? All right, here we go. Look at this beautiful thing right there. Oh my goodness. That really is super beautiful. Wow. So you got this absolutely beautiful view right here. And then right over here, You got this cool looking little bar. Wow. If you want to get nice drink, it's a good place to do it. Oh, how nice. That lady was literally just waiting behind me as I took my video. She didn't want to walk past me. That's sweet. Sorry to that lady. Wow. Look at this. Mel's Bistro. You got this big, huge yellow gate, which I'm not sure exactly what that leads to. There's got to be something inside of there. Let's see. Oh yeah, beautiful. Look at that. Another church. Who would have thought? Who would have thought? Oh yeah. Look how absolutely beautiful this church is. Oh yeah. I mean, look, there's a lot of beautiful cities in the world, but Cholula is a place I can definitely recommend. There's not many places you walk around for a short amount of time you see this many beautiful, colorful buildings. Some places have a smaller historic center. Cholula is a pretty big one. As you can imagine, it's because Cholula, well, I think almost all of Cholula is like this. All very colorful, nice, but it's because it's such an old city. The oldest continuously inhabited city in Mexico, I believe. All right, let's go. Let's check it out. It better be a nice, beautiful view when I turn this corner right here. And as you can see, there is. Look at that. That's absolutely beautiful. Oh my goodness. Now you got this big park right here. You can buy all kinds of souvenirs and stuff. Oh yeah, look at that. I love that. It's the San Pedro Cholula. At least that's what the sign says right there. Wow. And you can take a tour and you can go all the way up there and everything as well. Absolutely beautiful. Maybe I'll save that video for another day. But yeah, you can definitely do that. Over here at this big thing, they do some crazy performances. It's wild. And then over here they got pictures and they got a little fair over there. Yeah, pretty dope area. Now I'm gonna take you guys into the center park. You're gonna love it. Beautiful, colorful. If you can already have guessed, it's gonna be beautiful and colorful. So let's get right over there. Scenic views here in Cholula still. I'm trying to get up to the park so I can record before my camera dies, but everything I'm seeing is just so beautiful. Like, I just don't know what to record and what not to record. I mean, just look at this. Look at all these hats. Beautiful orange building, blue building. Up here, should be the big park up here. If not, you'll never guess what it is. Another beautiful, colorful park. Can't get enough of this Cholula, Mexico. This place is beautiful. And there's hotels everywhere. They look relatively affordable. I'll go check. I may or may not put the prices down in the description below, down in the video. This. So they have like artisanal liquors and juices and stuff like that. I don't know what artisanal juice is, but it sounds like it would be pretty good, I can't lie. Oh yeah, ready? Here's where we're getting up to another beautiful park right here. Yep, this is the park I wanted to show you guys right here. All around this park is absolutely beautiful, colorful buildings. I'm gonna try to cross the street so we can see. Let's see, will it be dangerous? Oh, that person did not want to let me cross. Fuck. Hey. Da 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 da. All right. Now we're finally arriving at the park. The place is absolutely beautiful. Take a little view over there. Oh man. Next time we watch this statue, but here you got the statue. Dr. Alfredo Fernandez. I'm sorry, I can't pronounce that. There you go. A nice statue right there. And you come over here, you got a pretty huge park for the kids to play, enjoy. It's actually one of the biggest parks I've ever seen for kids right here, to be honest. So 2 playgrounds, a swing set, and they got some rides there for if there's like a little carnival. Wow, this is an impressive center park right here, to be honest. Impressive. Oh, there's more than 2 playgrounds. Wow. So you got this one, got that one, got that one over there. Well, anyways, yeah, you got all these beautiful, like, all these cool little places for the kids to play. Gotta have at least 6 parks. These kids are loud, that's for sure. And then look at this beautiful, beautiful church. That's the other view right there. Oh my God, absolutely spectacular. Oh yeah. Let me get up close. I love how the nice pink color, and then you got this beautiful bell tower up there. Wow. And even more fair stuff right there. Beautiful. Let me go check out here. I wonder if I can go inside. I think I can. If I can go inside, I'll just try to go in there before my camera dies, which will be pretty soon. I'll have a beer, charge it up, and I'll be back at it again to show you guys Puebla. Wow. This is absolutely incredible. Let me see. I'm not sure if I can record in here. Let's see. En un momento. Alright, you guys, I just charged up my camera for a few seconds. Had another Samita. It's phenomenal. If you guys couldn't guess, they're always phenomenal. And then here, I just want to finish showing you guys this Central Park here in Cholula before I go probably get some sleep. I haven't slept since yesterday. I had a flight to here at 7 a.m. I took a bus at 4 a.m. Stayed up all night, took the bus, got here at like 9. And I've just been up since. It's like 5 o'clock now, so hopefully I'll be getting to bed pretty soon. But here's the rest of the park. This place is absolutely beautiful. You got some of the roller coasters running right now. But yeah, look at this. How beautiful is that? And then over there you got banks, restaurants. You got an OXXO if you want to get yourself some drinks. And then over here it looks like you got, like, I don't know about a party bus, but a similar kind of thing. And you got all this stone architecture over there. Look at that. Wow. I'm gonna go closer. But look at this. It's just an absolute beautiful park to just relax, enjoy your day, whatever you want to do. The weather's great. The scenery's beautiful, super green and everything. Yeah, look, another beautiful, beautiful church right in front of me. Yo, highly recommend Cholula, Puebla. It's really beautiful, a lot of history. There's so many museums, so many churches to check out. I went inside one of the churches, absolutely mind-blowing. Look at this beautiful red and white church right there. Wow. How beautiful is that? Check that out. How beautiful is this? You got this incredible, like, brick color and white, beautiful, beautiful church right here with that beautiful big door. You got this plaza, a statue. Beautiful fountains over there, and just so much greenery, trees, everything. It's exactly what I look for in a park, to be honest. It's a nice chill spot, beautiful, good scenery. Cholula Puebla is absolutely amazing. Maybe I'll throw some more stuff in, maybe I'll end the video here, but I highly recommend you check out Cholula Puebla. Cholula, absolutely amazing, one of the oldest cities in Mexico. So much history, so much beautiful architecture. I just can't get enough. 10 out of 10 for Cholula. Definitely come check it out if you got the chance. And that's all for now. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like and subscribe, share, show your friends for me to keep making more videos like this. And I'm out.